Do you want to know how to tint your lace frontal and get a perfect result every time in less than 3 minutes? I will show you today. This method works by you applying your powder onto your lace frontal. You first need to spray your holding spray. You can use any holding spray that you have. So spray the frontal first with the holding spray. Dry it with the dryer, make sure that it's dried, and then you can apply your powder onto your frontal once it's been dried. So apply the powder on. This method is by far better than bleaching your nut. Bleaching your frontals is better than bleaching your lace, better than anything to do with bleaching, because you don't have to worry about, number one, is your hair going to shed? What color is it going to come out? Is it going to go through the lace? Nothing like that. You control how much powder that you want to apply onto your lace. You will see that on this channel, we don't support bleaching simply because it's just not good for you. It's not good for your hair, it's not good for your health, and it's going to cause your lace to shed. I don't care who you are, if you're a professional or not, bleaching is a no-no. It's not good for the lace. Lace wig is not your hair, so stop treating it the same way that you would treat your hair. Your hair is going to shed if you continue to bleach it. I don't like bleaching, and by far, foundation or powder to tint your lace is the best and safest way for you to go. When you finish applying your powder on, you can spray your holding spray over your frontal to secure your powder. I filmed how I sewed the elastic band on this wig. You can watch that video here. I'm going to show you on the second wig now. You know I always over deliver. I like to show you in 2 wigs because I want you to get this method. I do get asked, is using a powder better than using a foundation? It's very hard to say because they both do the same thing, and in my opinion, they both look the same. It just depends on your preference, and also it depends on which one you've got access to quicker. I like to use both. I mainly would say I use more of the foundation just because it seems to always have foundation with me, but I'll be truthful with you, they both work the same way. Does it rub off? Does it stain my hairs, etc.? No, it doesn't, and it's not going to rub off, and it stays on there for months and months and months. It's worth it. I mean, it literally takes you like minutes to do, and it's gonna last. You don't have to worry about touching up on your lace frontals or anything like that because it's gonna stay on for a long time. Let me know in the comment section below if you're gonna be trying this method and if you already use powder to tint your lace. And also let me know, do you find that the powder is easier to use or the foundation is easier to use? anywhere you part your hair, your lace will always be tinted. It's a very good method for you to use, and is extremely simple to do. I highly recommend this. I'll just show you if you part it. Can you see? The lace is tinted, so you can part it any way you want and your lace will be tinted. You don't have to worry. Subscribe to our channel if you like more tips and tricks on how to care for your wig. Remember, this is the only channel purely dedicated to lace wigs. I'll do like a slant one here. Part it across for you to see. And it's the same thing, the lace is tinted. The lace is tinted. You don't have to bleach your knots. There's no bleaching knots required for this. Oh, I wish I had the screenshot of this. I'll probably get my editor to insert it on. A lady sent a message and she said you had to bleach your knots for your frontal to look natural. I'm going to get him to insert the comment here for you to see. And I 100% disagree. You do not need to bleach your knots for your frontal to look natural. As you can see from mine, this is just using a powder and it looks extremely natural. So save time in tinting your lace. Do not bleach it. Tint it in less than 3 minutes. If you'd like to know how I saw the elastic band on this wig to secure it, watch this video over here and I'll see you there.